6 days back, I participated in the GMTK Game Jam in which we had to make a game under 48 hours. I was really inspired by Dani's making gaming videos, so I asked him, Dani, can you please tell me how to make game in 48 hours? But he told, F off, I'm Dani, the great YouTuber. If I tell you what I do, then what will I do? F off. I'm kidding, I love him. Coming to the Game Jam. The theme was out and was revealed to be out of control, which reminded me of the population of India. So at first, I thought of making the future controls present some science stuff. Clearly stole the idea from Dark. If you don't know Dark, you are very lucky you didn't get to blast your brain. I even made a script of 2 pages having 3 chapters, but then I thought that even if I had an year, I could not make that game because, let's be honest, I am a very big noob in making games. And then finally I decided to make use of my big brains, and by using it I decided to make a copy of a game made by Jonas Tyroller, which was dependent on Albert Einstein's theories. So I started with some ideas on how to make my game feel different from his game so that you guys cannot notice. So I made a game that is based in 2020 and a virus has taken all over the world. Not the virus that you are thinking. A deadly virus has taken all over the world and all the infected are turning into zombies. And the enemies, zombies, are coming to you out of control, and I think that fits the theme. But as Isaac Newton said, never make the game without a huge plot twist. And plot twist incoming. You can move smoothly all over the map. You have full control on your movement. But I added a huge thing in that. Your speed will always change after some interval, like from very high to very low. I started with some drawings because you know the saying, you do those things first in which you are very good at. Don't you think these two look similar? Anyways, I imported this valuable and beautiful piece of artwork into Unity with some squares because squares are important. As I was importing, I just prayed to God that this doesn't show errors. But as you know, God is great. He gave me much more than I asked for. After importing images, when I hit play, I don't know why, but the player was moving and the enemies were spawning on their own. And I could shoot them with the bullets and grenades. And I didn't write any code for it. So Brackeys, I don't need your help. I am free from your slavery. I am now a free man. Toby is free. Now I wanted to kill the player as soon as possible. So I needed a health bar indicating player's current health, some score so that you don't feel meaningless while playing the game, kinda like my life. And I wanted a timer indicating the time left to refill ammo that would give players some hope not to die out of ammo. So again I prayed to God, and as God is great, He blessed me with all the things that I asked for. I also asked God for some shake effect, but then He said, F off, like Dani. So I copy pasted this code from Code Monkey and my life was happy again. I also added some particle effects when grenades blasted and when zombies are killed. And now it was time for beautifying this looking game. I prayed to God if He would help me out one last time and not be like Dani. God agreed that this will be the last time He will do my stuff. So He made it look like this. God is really nice man guys. Do subscribe to his channel. This is Heaven on YouTube. Now finally, it was time to add some sounds. But I needed an audio manager for that, and now the only person that can make it wouldn't help me. Time to say sorry to Brackeys, cause we need his audio manager script. I think it is the best script for handling audio and would never become obsolete until I make my own after, let's say, infinite years. Yeah. In my opinion, Brackeys is a good man. As I said sorry, he immediately accepted my apology. And now I am his slave again. Why can't anyone be free from Brackeys slavery, man? I made the build for Windows and Linux, and when I started building for WebGL, I got some errors. So I wasted 6 hours of my meaningless life and made it more meaningless. I just couldn't find how to solve those errors, and so I had to submit the game without a web version. So finally my game looked something like this. I submitted my game to the Game Jam before it ends. It's obvious, I think. Why did I even say this? No. And now I will just play this game for the rest of my life because I have nothing else to do. Honestly, this game jam was a lot of fun. I learned a lot of things during this which will probably help me in the future. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. If you liked it, press the like button, and if you didn't like, press the button left to dislike button. And if you want me to upload more videos, do subscribe to my channel. And I will go now. I have to say sorry to Dani cause he didn't like that I made our conversation public.
Make sure to smash subscribe, smash like,